Hi guys, this fast so fast. This is really a very serious news. Breaking news, guys. About 13,000. Hi guys, this fast so fast. This is really a very serious news. Breaking news, guys. About 13,000 Ghanaians, guys. 13,000 fellow Ghanaians have become refugees in Ivory Coast. My goodness. Guys, I could not believe this news after I saw it this afternoon. Can you imagine? Our own Ghanaians, fellow Ghanaians, have now become refugees in Ivory Coast, and their lives is so unbearable. My goodness, guys. So this particular story is coming from the tribal conflicts between the Sola Tuna Kauba district and the people from Bali. Guys, apparently there's some land dispute there. And this thing has escalated to a point where the people cannot even sleep in their homes. And there has been some gunshots here and there to the extent that some people have been unalived. And this particular issue is getting out of hand. Because of how severe it is, the people have run away from their homes with their children and wives. Guys, appreciate is in the background. And these people are currently in Ivory Coast. Apparently, they are sleeping outside. And some of them are being exploited by these Ivorian men. Guys, some of them do not even have potable water to drink. In fact, almost all of them sleep outside. They do not have good food to eat. Some are sexually assaulted for them to even have water to drink. Guys, the signal we are even picking is that most of the children are even dying because of mosquito bites. Guys, this particular story is really alarming because it just baffles me that even in COVID, Ghanaians were never, ever refugees in anybody's country. So what I thought is this particular two districts that our interior ministry cannot step up to take care of. Like, can't we relocate them back to maybe the south or maybe Tamale to take good care of them? Why must we take our fellow men through such a hardship? My goodness, this is so sad. And I think that the presidency should give us a communication on this and update us on the lives of these individuals. Because it's so alarming. I don't know what you think, guys. Leave a comment. This facts or facts. And this breaking news is
the IGP Special Operations
Team. Up with my head. Let me know what you also think about this story.
Law and order and surround.
Share Nanado ne Dr. Bawumia ewa ade ba in common, which is divine vengeance. Yes. Peter Boama otu kono. There was a time or accuse Nanado saw no ne first wife. And check okoware ye. I don't know so the yiri film. Ebra ye kwa akoto aba last year. Mahama ana ye Bawumia na shebo kontoko ati. NDC for the year campaign tia Dr. Bawumia. Omurini elections anche ene Mahama ni hometown Bole Bamboy. There is a protracted tribal conflict. Deadly one ekunipa close to 200. Amanipa 48,000. Ejani efiri omufi esiki asalam. Ewo Cote d'Ivoire ne Burkina Faso. Town sa eye jihadist hate town. Sese enkrofo esuro kra so mo betena ho no. Eho nene Mahama. Ne town people, ne brothers and sisters, ni nuanom omo boli, omo adwane afiri boli, akosiki asalam wo honom. You see, Dr. Bawumia nyame, Nanado nyame. Ofane bo oto ne ntamo indi 1 year mpo. And it will come to MPP monso. Very soon MPP will come to MPP. Omo ye boniti Dr. Bawumia, omo sabotage Dr. Bawumia last year, all those people, their time will come. I'm telling you.
Fact is always fact, and you cannot distort fact. Days of propaganda. Okasam no one can no krekwan so yen e ba be kan no krekwan so ama Ghana fo nyina ehu de eko fact checks on Ghana must know. Gaga who gaga Yeah, the woman pay and no enemy. Busiama Stephen and Chihuahua. But I saw bell like this video. And no commenting under this video. Yes, menewa. Menesia, the Akupo shop pass will commenting under this video. I read it's all be share. I'm all being swinging Biasha found some plus bottom no swa. Now follow me. For trending issues and news update, of course, I need atami and cabo and capacity, intellectual analysis, backward science and data. But me criticize the power, but very constructively, not destructively. I was here, yes, I see.
3, 2, 1.
And right, your mom penny. Say, I salute. Penny Mahama John, and no ebo modia nani eche of Franco Amasaman, a quantum ponoa, aji yabrabo aboswa. In fact, as a matter of fact, Udu sa kweni menofi akrana ba kumasana konkrai. Now do one man now both because utimi eye stack e was abia for 2 hours 3 hours na untimi enkonko dru akra e kwanya just 15 minutes ubetimi di afrin sawom akwa no utimi spend not less than 2-3 hours e was akwa ntienra na ye nyina ye ni agise ye mampani e bo modia eye working visit e wo eho enoma na no eno mampani e de ensem bi etu eja na abusia. They're supposed to brief you and brief you well. No? They are doing propaganda with the facts, and that is why you are confused. Most of you are more brief you on Penny Mahama. More for propaganda and tonching. Baby, it is not about propaganda. And Sembia Ekoswana and Sembia Kosubiana is on paper, and you know the facts. So brief him well. Namu mo Penny Kwaji or Nokwa Emaneho. Finance Minister is telling us that Adankwa Kufuado etia only $100 million. Meanwhile, the road minister is also telling us that they pay $190-something million. So the actual fact is the total sum of money to take care of that project was $346.4 million. And $200 million was secured from the Afrozen Bank to spend on the project. So, Mr. President, you may be confused because these two cabinet ministers are not briefing you properly. Mr. Finance Minister and Road Minister, please, there is no room for propaganda at this time and age. Please, this is fact check on Ghana Master.
Yo, Charlie, Mr. Baby, Obiano, Mr. On for video and tag it. Yen Papa, Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua, Asaman Bekano, I think, Honorable, I'm a Mianzimeni, and I was one of the few people that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or more than ministerial position. Minuachi because Semukrum means many to many position there. About Boanzama, a man, and say a tomb air successful. Number bomb pass with the very successful, say 2 years successful. Or best example be at Tuama, you tell one MPP on the NDC there. Say MPP ba power, NDC besa so achina power. Wale manzimeni afra baby ananzimeni you to be opposition. Obakado nzimeni bi bedi minister. Na nedwuma yesweni, he was one of the best ministers we had. Inti obenya faith wanya nzema fu youth na yele benum. Wa MPP mo NDC mo na so wa hwodo na bia wakade dem dia ma wo na abura ma bo aye wo ministry wenti no na chere nzema fo emo na edwuma otumi ye enti wo manyen so na ye mboframa no su bi. But honorable, painful baby there, more food you apano, no piano. But I mean, there, if you are panel of phone, you will be there, no forget our political colors. Oh, yeah, and there, earlier the Medumano, na at the Aboa, Ghana man, Nancy man, so you see, I didn't there, Yendipa, obey minister, then, with 2 more beduma. But there are a group of people here, or a chonsan, if you are panel of phone, or a chonsan. And I have a group of people na America on us. Yane ama hin fobi na hin fobi a wo wanzema asasi do no. Wale medwuma na ye tennis no honorable. Yane ama hin fo na ahemfo na odi kurofo na busuapan fobi a wo wanzema ha no. Honorable, won wale magalam se ne ntum nkunu. one nti na nsɛm ate da wɔ sɛ LIB ɛde akɔto attorney general n'anim de ɔmfa nkɔ parliament na ka wɔn push them LI na ɔka mbɛ edwuma ɔna abo dem LI no mpo asɛmpo no photo nkyɛn because I'm being too emotional ma all kodo no enwa because edwuma na failure e be failure ma yan nzemafo nyina be obaka da nzemani mpo ɔde no kɔto ɔno wan perform nti shambra ma attorney general shambra de awo hen ebusu penyin ana odukro bia obahu de wore galamse o asase do no ona abo obejelu 30 years so ona abo wo pass the membrane ho a do nyame na won che ahemfo be trepe won jelu 30 years obahu se onyin bi de na asase ba obi de wonya galamse a na da me yimbra na yari yende no onkosi aga o ahemfo na ebusu penyin na ma ahemfo na wo wonzema no won wole medwuma na de na mo ona abo youth no podi ja won because one only option into them no obey into sepede youth no so gya after that chechi ama ahemfo na ahemfo no gumu no enwa won hwehwe investors nzema ha good na ado wa ha Ghana ha baby a won bobo emanu companies community bi obobo emanu company no na abo mo nyam on shambra financial agreement nim there 90% of workers no be the youth within the environment na why e man in area no ono obobo ama mebu ni baby a de yen edwuma aye atasa nti wo ankasa ukrom nsama ahemfo binom na ahemfunum binom won won medwuma na de na ma nti jame airline na do parliament no man down na yeyi won hye shambra fofo de ohena na ebusopin na odikro bia na do obohu de galamsel kodo asase no obejelu 30 years na chi ahemfo ba 3 bia na 2 bi jelu na do Ghana wante de sesia ehena wo galamsel asase do jelu 30 years na we de obi de na asase be kwa akomo obi de onye illegal man na ntu na abo mesro onyan PP onyan NDC Ghana asem ni na ede ye kan dama akoma and I fail as a minister obey me yo because I mu krom ni zimani and edi no boa no papa ni senior brother offer no boa nti me ti din no boa na I think my minya respect you me there me demo nti yan forget NDC na PP no shembra onyin bi e be chode wale galamsi o asase du bia 30 years imprisonment na yan hwe one for video no ma on aboma no nte o open no details mo a man kasa motumi atedne ya hyehembra no in amde me one people mo opposition nti admit na no dem on kwa rounds na me hwa ahemfo wale galamsi o asase do the one list babro na ya chichiwo nya ye jelu one na Ghana sesi ahwe ma ba ebem nsu ade deri ase de ina wanya de ni na asese ye nya nsu no efi about there eto nsu ana bottle water na de aba ebem abe eduma ye na nanom so wole ya ebem eduma nya dem no de oti ahemfo no wona na wole ya dem ade no ebetuma can you imagine the whole nzamala ekrokro pa na wanya galamsi wodo oya anyon onumpo no the saddest part of this in there ehin na ebesia na ehin numpo ni Ghana owabrechiro nso bia ntum ko asase no do ko galamsi how much more than one wogugu wo ha no wona ahemfunum binum na ma ahemfun binum na wo areas na won ko bebia na wote wonu tu wona asase no wole galamsi ni gidigidi wona asase do won wole ye da ma no tu wona bo sheda membra no na ja ela na wodro ko no no fa hwembra ya shambra kete ya fa shahemfun na busopinfo na odikrofo na ama ahemfo no won kwan ya chura wale galamsi illegal man o asase do be jelu because a week bia wo kwaje je huska ata sa a week bia wo kwaje je huska na se da yamba je week ska ne wache je na ska no awa ahemfo no edi ntu won sesi ahemfo bi no wo bompo 3 years wonya 2 years so wo sisi na watoto cars na odidem ni na illegal man ska na anti shambra fa hwe won kwan ona bom da say
I'm a lawyer, and I respect the bench. But Mr. Muhammad Nashin, from 2-3 days ago, warrant that the office of the Supreme Court, not only the Chief Justice, every appointee bia Mr. Muhammad appointing bia to the bench, the tenure is coterminous with the tenure of the president. Simple and short.
That's not what the Constitution says.
Mr. Muhammad will interpret the Constitution. And that's what is going to be applied. Oh, yes, sir.
Mama
Yanfanza and Dagro. On the catch that the horses are bolted. Because when they were in opposition, Madame Charlotte say nankasa colleagues in her organization were accusing of procurement breaches and one can the petition come His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. They said that victimization. She was being witch hunted. It was preconceived to take her out. That was the statement in NDC for Omeki. And I was in Ghana. One kochiwa there. Yet to aboma one no ba amomanto amon. No waba were very set Ghana. And I don't know, okay. And to say if the processor on the 146 award the one individual according to you or you're wrongful, if you come and you intend to reset, you go through the same motions, you go through the same wrongful motion to remove another individual. Now is time for reform. Hey, HKC my good friend Professor, who Constitutional Review Committee we support you. Now one force is the man for one son come because they can abandon for bar or best set up Constitutional Review Committee may I revert back to the current one. No, then. Oh, no, but that's what Mr. You want to learn. You should have told him to stop it before he does it. You should have sane voices in this country. Because saying J a big floodgate for what I'm saying to happen. That's also goodwill. So they can do whatever they want. And you say that now we should learn. Come and learn what? You learn how about the reset no reset area until now. Oh, where in a day we are over reset. Is that what you are suggesting? No, I want to know. That is exactly what Mr. Mahama has done to Ghana. It is a woman boy and only and can't shred. Nessa Banfu for bar. Mom be the same thing. What are you telling me? That is the fear that we exhibited. We said time without number there. Hey, I'm paying Shaniyo. Mary ye. Nusun sonduru yentum content war a man muha. That's no yaharam way. Necessary yensia. Nay, yes, you have a day.
I say Ghana City, I see Ghana City a bomb. And you say many you. Last month, na madam for bam honam cash and say, many bomb come cash and say, Master the baby who say, Dala ni city na about from any normal. I don't say the name so. We share Togo, any country around us now. Omusika esanda bi eda e kosho e na Ghana kwa de no abafo enti ye nkrofo no o my strategy bi no moda stabilize the for some time and also me boa nka say Bank of Ghana amba out ambe kasa antutu ne meye anye 1 to bia e bedu December no na dollar nam 25 cedis against cedis o say incident e bi incident say share sister ena adechinya hu no ma start atu up to any and raw from some me be from city stand be yasemu tactics thinking and analysis because we compare other countries around us now happen I say isika any dollar abafo catch and say you ankai and say do but an credit e back up and credit e back up because I say and say me de but woman credit yan fan rule Ghana na Ghana nye de yenya be bre nya yewum
loto nchenya bisa ministers dodo say na hu omo ho former ministers of the MPP abanya hu omo ho na ya rebo ja to da bia no uchi MPP ni bi na ne kasa osu MPP for ye so vindictive to one another okay yate say you vindictive Name you vindictive. Me also you vindictive. Also I can't have no. Although do I have vindictive. And or refer Yama NDC say, oh NDC for there. They are not like that. omu kuntokwa yi omu nyina ka bom ye da ase se NDC 40 sa na ye ofe na ofi se MPP 40 sa adenti na wo sa nipa kro ya no ye wie akwatia election a ye lusu ye utimi ko social media e ko tro se MPP 4 elusu election enti yampa mu obi ana yensesa emra bi a ye de ye adwuma wo de
no si wo be campaign
me ya rewesam me to asra me hwe papa ba ko wo say ye bona ba so papa in this campaign Mr. Robert Lampi, former parliamentary candidate for Medina constituency.
Oh, papa na me nim ni din o. Me nim ni din
Robert Lampi. Medina for friend Okumkom. Me aminchira papa no wate. Me wan kasa odi wedi e ba ye ba be.
Me di mani me nkasa o say me nkasa me di mani. Na me nim say ne fie kula nim na me gina na me twa obi video. Ni pa so okoto aba ne because of Robert.
Yo. Mavis, for close to 2 months, now Robert Lampi feeling a domwa akonguho a ofidio mwana periye numre amo mo baby ada minka ha minka omo amedi meni ko twisi hu so omo da Robert Lampi fie there were more than 300 people.
Me di mani hu yo na ya me nya wona no moda me ko wa no pa na me nya wona no moda.
Yes, even when Japa was threatening him,
me see ye gina wa Mustafa Bande be sina ko national security be asiedu nkatia ye gina fie na ni mo na no mo nyina twa omo kwa basa because of say e wona na security man omo nyina ada ye gina fie na ni mo.
Thank you. Imagine Japa coming to Akwetia. No, he said this is what Robert Lampi was aiding the MPP to do, ensuring said the bigger bambo na yetimia ko wini Akwetia by election. Na papa no gina ni na so all weather. Na when him na ne yama hye no gina brane. E ma ye the election ko wie. Na ne dwumo ye yenso wanji e manifest ya. Now Mr. Robert Lampi osabasobone. Osabasobone papa me. And also, police station back on if you're in Tempe, baby, Deba gas. And exactly 6 o'clock, and I mean, sorry, yeah, me call. Sa police station, former Greater Accra Regional Minister, Primod Minimary, Honorable Titus Glover, police agent, our home. Maybe do was 6 o'clock, exactly 6:15, and Mustafa Bande, any national organizer. They didn't know we were that prepared for the election. They were shocked. And May Robert Lampi baby will be a nyame enshirano. No nyane kese na MPP nkoso emma ye nyina ye hu se enkofo bi sei no omo de omusika omo de omo nkwa omo de omo family omo de omo japade esi awowa e de mapa to we ya eni kwa se party no eyi omoma eti damisha no maybe mamembra assembly so e ha ma adwen kwa me wo social media bebre ye kodi nkugwe wo akwatia yi ye di kan akwatia is not anybody's stronghold per the record.
Yeah.
Akwatia constituency and you be a stronghold per the record. And again, just said MPP are called election a lusu huge margin nationally. NDC has the goodwill of the people of Ghana, including the people of Akwatia. Akwatia for election, omuko ya yenya bema NS kumi ewini na mefa ni crazy. Minu mi enu eni omwa omu kano crazy say from day one. The NDC has been consistent to say kumi ewini election Akwatia meboa. And to start doing Ankasa NDC for no any even MPP for any Democrat almost like bitter eti sekumi is not the right MP for Akwatia. And you see, I'm going to call court for 7 months to 6 months. You declare and say court don't declare for your MP no. Just 11 days no move it. And the MP and your friend honorable and the Kumina Kasano. When the me and Konechi Akwatia ho anya juma 2 hours in po and 3 days. Anka Akwatia for begin to say MPP ni na wabano wa ni mere TMO de be MP po wa ye bibi papa bi nti se oni wa ye to abama no. So clearly from the word go the NDC was ahead of us in Akwatia constituency because they have the psychology of on your MP and nothing you don't call court and I went through me. It is a watch here, and now you're calling a watch no. And this is what they didn't come as mourners. They came as fighters. Because Omo Banu Bisa so go say na na say atade tintu ma na akoko Omo ba be money and be awewu. They didn't come as mourners. And nothing you see don't get ya e ba be ye sa enioma na say emfata ko egbo yes e do ta ne kon. Me say Sagana, you don't get here. So you the Anna. Namina pa, then you have why and no one nam nebia. And Kamian Katan and I'm a person head yes, you don't get here. I mean, not out. Mian Katan and I'm a person head yes, because I didn't know you know, make a chance. So, again, and this is what in a particular by election where maybe. Any asofo amose obia ono owo goodwill wo ho with Ghanaian people including Akwetiafo omugina galamsey sites apamu MPP for galamsey nyina MPP for ye mining nyina wo ewire mu ho omapamu MPP for ye mining nyina wo ewire mu ho na esi edu Ketiako gina simpie so wo Akwetiaka kire omose to about the MPP because what you feel na command because MPP vote ni concession the Bema miners. Na mining concessions no eye aban bia eye yura Don Mahama ene dano. Wo ana wo papa ya miner Mavis obeto abama mine.
Oh. Yet see the ekoso ni nyina even kwofo Solomon boa wo mu nyina ye trete wo mu nyina.